Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this cat applique part 2. Now we see how to crochet this ears. Now we start with a slip knot. After slip knot we will make 10 chain crochet stitches. 10 chain crochet stitches. After we are done with 10 chain crochet stitches, we will skip first stitch after the current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till last stitch. Okay, we have to skip first stitch after current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each stitch till the last stitch. When we are done with this, now we will make a chain crochet stitch and turn our crochet work. Now see, we have to skip 2 stitches coming first and second after the chain crochet stitch. After chain crochet stitch, the first and second stitch we have to skip, and from third stitch again we start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till last stitch. So skip first and second stitch after chain crochet stitch. The first and second stitch after chain crochet stitch, skip those 2 stitches, and from third stitch start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till the end of the line. This you are going to repeat till we are left with only one stitch. See, now we made the last stitch. See, we are making your last single crochet stitch. Make a chain crochet stitch and turn your work. Okay, again skip first and second stitch after chain crochet stitch, and from third stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. So we are going to repeat this till we are left with only one stitch. So I'll just complete this and show you. Once we are done with the last stitch, now we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch all around the triangle. Okay, 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch all around the triangle. When we are done with the single crochet stitch round, 2 single crochet stitch in each single stitch, that round, after that last round is there. Last round we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around the triangle. Finish. Now see, following exactly same pattern, you have to make one more pink triangle for 2 ears, like 2 triangle, and following exactly same pattern, we have to make 2 black triangle, and only difference will be in black triangle. In starting we will make 15 chain crochet stitches. In pink we started with 10, in black it will be 15. See, these are crochet cat ears for black cat. Now we make crochet eyes for black cat. Now we will see how to crochet eyes.
Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch.
Now this is how black circles for eyes look like.
Now we will go forward for white circles of eyes. Needle I am using is 2.5 mm. As usual, you will be starting with slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, I will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now I will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Needle I am using is of 2.5 mm. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, it is 2.5 mm needle. Okay. Now due to joining those first and last stitch, we get a small tiny circle in between. It is small but it's big enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will yarn over, and please don't take that small free end of the yarn into your stitches. Now first we will make a chain crochet stitch, then we will yarn over, insert a needle from that tiny circle. Okay, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. Okay, again we will yarn over, insert a needle from the tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for how to make a half double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You people can refer it. It's with written notes, slow demonstration is given. So quite easy to understand. Okay, the way we are making a half double crochet stitches, each time passing a needle from that tiny circle, we have to make 10 half double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just show you 10 half double crochet stitches. We are almost done. There we complete our last stitch also. Okay, now we will join our first stitch and last stitch with the slip stitch. Following similar pattern, you have to make another one also, exactly same. Okay, now pull that small and free end of the yarn. Now white circles for eyes are ready. We just have to stitch white circles on black circles and eyes are ready. Now this is our final piece. This is how we will assemble all our pieces on our circle for our cat applique. You need to stitch everything up. Okay, now while placing this mouth, just keep those 2 circles above it. So it shouldn't look like complete oval. It should a part of it should be cut. Okay, while stitching also just remember, and that nose, heart nose should come on those 2 circles. If you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Isn't it good, cute? I'm coming up with many more videos. Now this is part 2. You will get crochet tutorial of that black background for the face and nose of cat and mouth of cat. This whole tutorial you will get in first part. Link is already given in description. You can easily refer it. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Subscribe Sanjs Aasha. So please, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And those who have liked my video, thank you. Those who have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. And I'm coming up with many new more videos. So please stay connected. Thank you. Subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.